Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to place for everything automotive. If you're passionate about muscle cars, cutting-edge technology, and the latest trends in the automotive world, then you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated cars of the decade, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Let's buckle up and take a ride through everything we know about this beast. Body. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is a name that's been stirring excitement among car enthusiasts for years, and for good reason. After a long hiatus, Ford has resurrected one of the most iconic muscle cars in history. The original Boss 302 was introduced in the late 1960s, known for its performance on the street and track, and now Ford is bringing that legendary nameplate into the modern age with a new, incredibly exciting twist. First off, the design. The 2025 Mustang Boss 302 doesn't stray too far from the unmistakable Mustang silhouette, but it has some bold new elements that pay homage to its rich history. The front end features a more aggressive grille and hood design, with functional air vents that improve both cooling and aerodynamics. Ford has also introduced a wider stance compared to the previous models, giving it a more muscular, track-ready look. The rear end is equally aggressive, with quad exhausts and a rear diffuser that hints at the car's true performance capabilities. Of course, this Boss 302 is loaded with distinctive 302 badges, reminding everyone that this is a car built for serious performance. When it comes to performance, Ford didn't hold back. Under the hood, the 2025 Boss 302 is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, which is a nod to the original. But, of course, it's been heavily updated with modern technology and performance enhancements. This V8 engine is expected to churn out somewhere around 500 horsepower, giving the car the kind of power that will keep enthusiasts grinning from ear to ear. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and an available 10-speed automatic, the car offers thrilling driving dynamics, whether you're at the track or taking it for a spin on the highway. Ford has also implemented a range of performance upgrades in the 2025 Boss 302 to ensure that it lives up to its racing heritage. The suspension system is fine-tuned for aggressive cornering and high-speed stability, while the chassis has been reinforced for improved rigidity and handling. And let's not forget the braking system. Brembo brakes are standard, offering incredible stopping power when you need it most. On the tech front, the Boss 302 comes with all the modern amenities you'd expect in a 2025 vehicle. Inside, the cabin is a mix of classic and contemporary, with a driver-focused cockpit that includes a high-resolution digital display and a performance-oriented steering wheel. Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system is also on board, ensuring that you stay connected while on the road. Expect features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assist systems, ensuring that the Boss 302 doesn't just perform but also provides comfort and convenience. Now, let's talk about the exhaust note. The 2025 Boss 302 is equipped with an active exhaust system that allows you to customize the sound of the engine to your preference. Whether you want it to be loud and aggressive, or toned down for a more subtle experience, Ford has